Happy birthday, Tita Sandra. I miss you. I wish you come to Dubai.
Sandra, happy birthday. May you have more birthdays to come and God bless you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sandra!
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Ate Sandra.
Happy birthday, Sandra! I wish you all the best. I miss you.
Happy birthday, Sans! Surprise ka, no? Di mo inakala na magkakaroon ka ng mga video greetings. May mga maparaan kasi, di ba? But anyways, happy birthday, my dear. I hope you're doing well. We miss you here in Dubai. I hope to see you in the Philippines. God bless you. Enjoy your day. And happy birthday. Bye!
Hi, ganda. Happy 40th birthday. Enjoy your day. Bye.
Happy! Happy! Happy!
Birthday!
Stay gorgeous! Love you!
Love you!
Happy birthday, Tita Sandra! Happy birthday, Ate Dada. I wish you all the best in life. Stay healthy and more travels to come. Love lots from Team Abu Dhabi.
Sandra, no pearls of wisdom for this milestone. We just wanted to wish you a happy birthday and a year full of peace, good health, and good times.
Hi, Pinsan. I don't know if I've told you before, but I've always admired your sense of adventure and your willingness to try new and different things. So keep doing what you love and be happy.
Happy 40th birthday, Sandra.
Happy 40th birthday, Sandra. We wish you all the best. We love you at ingat ka palagi.
Happy birthday, my beautiful pamangkin, si Dada. Happy birthday, 40 years, ika na pala.
40th birthday, Ninang Sandra. I wish you good health and a happy day. I love you so much. You're so pretty. Mama.
Happy 40th birthday, Ninang Sandra. I wish you a year full of happiness, success, and fulfillment. Thank you for everything you've given me. Love you!
Happy 40th birthday, Sandra. We wish po na palagi kayong safe, healthy, and happy.
And more success sa iyong career.
Happy birthday, Sandra. More birthdays to come.
Here, Happy birthday, Tita Sandra!
Happy birthday, Sandra.
Wishing you many, many more healthy years ahead. Say happy
We
birthday.
wish you.
Happy
We love
birthday,
you.
Sandra.
Tita Sandra.
Tita Sandra.
Okay.
Happy birthday, Sandra. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy
Happy birthday, Sandra.
Happy birthday, Sandra! Wishing you all the best in life, good health, more birthdays and travels to come. Again, happy birthday, Dada!
Happy birthday, Ate San!
Hi, Tita Sandra. Happy birthday. We love you so much. And remember to stay healthy and always stay pretty. We love you so much. Happy birthday po.
Sandra, happy birthday. And I wish you more and more birthdays to come. God bless always. Take care of yourself.
Hi Ate Sandra, happy birthday. Wish you more birthdays to come and di mo tayo lagi nagkakausap, but ingat ka lagi and more travels to come. And this is Bino. Hello Bino, say hello. Cat lover din yan si Tita Sandra.
Happy birthday, Ate Sandy! Ang wish namin sa'yo ay... Ano wish mo? Magka-jowa! Happy 40th
Birthday to you, Sandra. God bless you.
Hi Sandra, happy birthday. More blessings to come and enjoy your day.
Hello Sandra, happy birthday. Wish you love life soon. Enjoy your day.
Honey ng Sandra, happy birthday. Love you, miss you. See you soon.
Hi to Sandra, happy birthday. Wishing you more happiness, health, and wealth, and many more birthdays to celebrate.
Happy
birthday,
Sandra, from Amsterdam.
Day to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Sandra.
Happy birthday, Sandra. Sabihin mo dali. Sabihin mo, happy birthday, Sandra.
Ano?
Sabihin mo, happy birthday, Sandra.
Ay, nasaan?
Basta sabihin mo lang, happy birthday, Sandra.
Happy birthday, Tita Sandra. I hope you enjoy your day. God bless you. We love you po.
1, 2, 3, go!
Happy
birthday to you.
Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Sandra! Happy birthday, Ate Sandra!
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday, Ate
Dada.
Sandra.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Oh, wish mo, Franco. Ano wish mo?
Maraming pagkain.
Ingat ka palagi dyan. Thank you so much for everything. We love you,
for
Ate Sandra.
everything. We love you, Ninang Sandra.
Yes.
Hi Sandra, can't believe you're already 40. I hear your 40 is the new 20. It's a start of a new decade, you know, with more confidence, more wisdom, and hopefully a lot more fun. Wishing you continued health, happiness, and continued success. Wishing you a very happy 40th birthday and aloha, enjoy.
Happy birthday, Sandra. Happy 40th birthday, Ate Sandra. Have an amazing day. I love you.
Happy birthday, Sandra. Always remember that reaching 40 years old is a blessing from the Lord. May you continue to feel that you are loved and celebrated today. God bless you. Happy birthday.
Nang happy birthday, and thank you so much for everything that you gave us, including the love, joy, and courage. And thank you again for everything. And hopefully you have a great day and happy birthday again.
Sandra, happy birthday. Thank you for everything that you've given us, especially the vacations and stuff. And thank you for giving us joy and happiness and being a great ninang to us. And I hope you have a wonderful and great day at your birthday. And again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Hello, darling. Happy birthday. Good
Wish you happy
health.
birthday.
Wish you happy
Happy New
birthday.
Year. And
Good health and always
health,
God
yeah,
bless
always.
you. Enjoy your
Enjoy,
holiday.
yeah.
I love
I
you.
love
I
you.
miss you.
Bye.
Bye.